Hello, I'm Pastor George and I'm in town to give you something very beautiful today. This is a step-by-step method on how to play guitar on African songs, in African praises. Look, if you followed me for some time now, there are certain things you need to know. The first thing is the chord system, which I deem the most important system so far as the guitar is concerned. Before you can play African praises, you have to know your chord system. What do I mean? C, this for instance, in the key of C, C at A, C at G, C at E, and C at D. These are very important shapes you need to know. In order to play African praises, not all these shapes or homes are relevant. Some are used more frequently than the others. For instance, the C shape is very important. And then the G shape. You can do so many things within these shapes than the others, I tell you. It doesn't mean you can't do anything on the other shapes, but these are used more frequently. Okay, let's assume we are in the key of F. In the key of F, you first of all should learn these chords. You can learn this chord, the C shape of F at C, but without the root, this. So only this. Because the pinky here will be used for some other things. So this will be your 1. This will be your 4. And this will be your 5. And after you've learned it, then what makes it an African groove is the way we pick. You can decide to pick with your hand or with a plectrum. When you are picking with your fingers, the picking will change. It's different from when you are picking with a plectrum or a pick. So today, I had to go for the plectrum because they are the majority. Tomorrow, I will go for the hand picking and you will see the different level. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, I'm Spratz and I'm in town. If you followed me till now, then you should have built yourself very well because I have so many beautiful lessons here. Interesting one. I can boast that this is one of the best because I take my time to explain it so you understand it. I want the house of God to be a beautiful place to play. Many people learn it and they take it out. I want to make sure people play it and stay in church. Play in church. That's the most beautiful thing that can happen to you. Anyway, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm Pastor George. I'm Spratz on all social media handles. Please subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments, like, and share. Please share. Don't be selfish. Share this beautiful tutorial with others. Describe our page to others so they will be enjoying this too. So first of all, you should learn the chords as they are. 1, 4, then 5. These are very important in the key of F. 1, 4, 5. And because we want to do some little drills with the pinky, we sometimes exclude it, leave it out. So 1. And we put it on a note, which is very important, perhaps the most important note when it comes to African praises, is the re. Do, re. This is the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, so, re, mi, fa, so, fa, re. So this note here, re, we embellish the chords with that additional note, the re chord. Let's learn to pick with a pick, since many uses pick for African praises because of the tempo. So when I play the first one, slowly it becomes do, mi, so, re, mi, do. That is all. Do, mi, so, re, mi, do. The picking is very simple. Up, down, down, up, down, up. Up, down, down, up, down, up. The fourth chord, which is here, B flat, in the key of F, is the same thing. The triad for the chord is fa la do, fa la do, fa la. And I'm going to add a re to this. So it becomes do, fa la, re, fa do, do, fa la, re, fa do. I play re, so, re, re, ti, ti, re, so, re, ti. That's all. Then you can begin to now embellish it, decorate it with some other beautiful notes. I have started decorating it. You can repeat them depending on how long the song is staying on that chord. So after you've done that, then you can add anything else. If the chord changes to any other chord other than 1, 4, 5, the picking is the same. So understanding the basic picking pattern is the most important thing. And you can add on and on. Let me give you a practical example in, say, key A. For instance, in the key of A, 1, this is my first chord, this is my fourth chord, and this is probably my fifth chord. So, same thing, sorry. But it's the shapes that are changing. Alright, so this is just a little info. Let me try to put this one on a backing track for you to see in a very common song. I know you'll be enjoying it.
Every
I'll be coming with the second part. See you again and soon.